Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Pop. I'm about to react to this vid. This is the funniest chiropractic adjustment you will ever see. Okay, so we're gonna see somebody act out when they're getting an adjustment. I have been getting these back to back. Well, I haven't been in like a month or two now, but I was getting these back to back after my car accident. I'm better for the most part, but I still have some weird feelings in my back sometimes. Ooh, I'm suing the brakes off that nigga. Anyway, yeah, let's see how this adjustment is so funny. Let's watch.
Oh, you finna go to work. I just know by your posture, you finna go to work.
She about to be extra as fuck. Why you sitting up? I was laying down. You supposed to relax, sis. You don't look relaxed.
Mm-hmm. Oh shit! Damn! Oh,
the noise is kind of alarming.
I was not expecting that to be like that. You just got in that shit like that. Wasn't no on the surface cracks. Those was some. Hey, stop playing with Dr. Shalala for real. I'm ready.
Girl.
Damn. Yeah, you snapped.
I'm surprised she wasn't laid down. I don't like how he's doing this though. His dick all on her neck. I don't like it.
Oh shit! Damn. You wrong for not killing nobody, cause that's some raw shit. Oh, don't try this at home if you ain't Dr. Shalala. Oh.
She is so fucking extra. Is he gonna do any other positions? Cause my chiropractor. Okay, I was about to say.
Oh, I ain't gonna get the legs too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Girl, shit.
Oh. Whew. Oh. That's that lower back. That's really what you need. Ooh, this is the good part right here. This is what I need. Oh shit.
Girl.
Take a deep breath in.
Then he about to do it when you go out.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Oh, that's the one. You just karate chop my shit. Damn. Oh my god. That feel like the orgasm. I'm not even gonna lie.
Girl.
Oh my god.
Use the goddamn lie.
Oh.
Deep breath in and out.
Oh. Damn.
She putting on extras. Ain't no way.
Whew.
Unless your back just fucked up.
Oh shit. Woo.
If I was in my black, alright, sis, you gotta go.
Call it passion twist crack. That's what that is.
Like you doing the most.
I could do a split now. I bet I can.
What thing I do with split?
Oh shit! Woo! Damn! Oh yeah, my spine, my shit straight as a motherfucker, man. I feel it. Oh, I can walk.
I hope he did not put this on his YouTube page.
Shit.
Who uploaded this? I need to check because the ratchetry is out of control right now. Girl, get your ass up. Oh, he ain't good.
Oh shit!
Get out some
Oh! Oh! Oh yes! Damn! Sorry, I just got a little.
Hurting this broken nail. I cannot.
This feels so much better than watching the videos. Like, damn.
What videos? You just be watching chiropractic videos?
Oh, oh, oh.
I don't think I ever watched chiropractic.
That shit is raw, man. That you ain't kill nobody. Cause I be at home trying to do that shit. I be, oh, you the shit, Dr. Shalala. Yeah. I got a loose neck now. Oh.
Did she take a couple shots
This shit
before I
wrong.
come in? Let me know. What the fuck? Okay, this is something new.
Oh shit! Oh fuck me! Fuck me! Damn! Damn!
I don't
That
know
was the
about
grand finale. Damn! You just snatched my soul. Oh shit!
Girl, shut up.
Damn!
She getting on my
Where you
nerves.
thought that from?
Where you?
I need to give you one of those wax straps. Oh! Yeah, I felt that all up in here, all up in my neck.
Girl, go home now.
Dr. Shalabi is the real deal, y'all.
Hey, Dr. Shalabi, and take your ass home.
Mm.
You extra as fuck for no reason.
I felt that.
Okay, girl. Who put this up?
That is amazing.
Motherfucking Dr.
How are you in
Shalabi.
school for?
Dr. Shalabi is a ratchet.
Damn, you snap.
Why would he put this?
20 years. I should have been a chiropractor.
Girl.
I wanted to tell jokes and shit. You do your shit though, Dr. Shalabi, for real. That's why I had to come see you, because I'm like, I gotta go to Dr. Shalabi.
Girl. Dr. Shalabi is ghetto as fuck for putting this on his YouTube page. Like, I get you want people to, see your work and to see a satisfied customer, but she was doing the fucking most. Like, nobody wanna hear her doing all this. Oh shit! Oh, that's like an orgasm. Oh, fuck me! Like, this is a lot. I don't think I would even want to go to a chiropractor who had this up on his fucking website or on his YouTube page, because I'd be like, what type of people are you attracting? Like, what's happening here? Like, I don't know. I wouldn't trust this. She was doing a lot, but yeah, definitely feel like she was putting on some extras. Maybe he paid her or something. I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe she's just that extra. But girl, it's not. It's not that. I mean, I get it. Everybody's different and chiropractors are different, so I guess people can have different experiences. But I don't see anybody getting this amount of pleasure and like shock from getting no fucking adjustment. Like, girl, fucking relax. But I mean, it was still entertaining nonetheless. But girl, sit down somewhere. Y'all let me know what y'all thought though, and I'll see you on the next one.